Hey guys, I hope you're well. I just started a recording and had to stop it because I had to clear my throat. God, will I never learn how to do my job at this dump of a channel. I was just thinking, I'd like your input, guys. I've really been struggling again because of I'm a 4 week fight with my doctor again, right? I'm doing okay, but I need to get away, man. I haven't even had a chance to go shopping for a new phone because I've been doing battle with the medical community. So I need to get away, guys, and I need to do a POTA activation. And I want to do my QRP only. You still feel like a dick saying that. I'm only going to work QRPers. You can call me, you kilowatt club boys, but I won't be calling you back. um, anyway, if I do that though, it can't be an 80-meter POTA activation. It's just too damn noisy a band. We're going into summer, and static crashes are crazy here in Michigan. I'd love to do a late shift activation on 80, but I just do a normal activation. I'll run 100 watts, and they run what they run, you know? Again, I feel funny saying that. They run what they run no matter what. It's their life and their gear. That's between them and the long arm of the law, isn't it? But again, seriously, I gotta wrap this up. Should I do an 80-meter late shift activation, or should I do a QRP activation on 20 in the middle of the afternoon? And if I do that, I'm calling for QRPers only. I'm going to work the QRPers, man. I'll run QRP. No, I won't either. In honor of a great commentator and a comment, he pointed out that when he does activations, he's not turning his radio down below 100 watts. Damn it. And he said, the activators have the crap antennas. Let them have the 100 watts. Make the chasers use QRP. And hats off, sir. Hats off, sir. You, my man. So, again, to wrap it up, what would you be more interested in seeing me do? Because I'm going to record it, guys. You know, sink or swim, I'm recording the dang thing. Would you rather see me do an outing on 20 meters focused on QRP? Or would you rather see me go out into the woods an hour before dark and toss a wire over a branch, alligator clip it to my antenna mount on the top of the cab of the rope, hook it to my Z match, and I'm transmitting. I'm talking. I did that once before and it worked great. My Z match will tune anything almost. And a good chunk of wire over a tree limb's no slouch of an antenna. When I did it last time, I tossed out a couple long counterpoise wires running off into the woods. I don't know, didn't really care how long they were. It was an untuned, unbalanced antenna connected to my Z match, which made everything happy. Yeah. What would you rather see, guys? I'm not seeing any 80-meter activations tonight. They're pretty rare. Occasionally, I'd say maybe every 3 nights you'll see an activator or two on 80 doing a late shift. In the summer months, you have static crashes galore, but in the winter months, you've got icicles hanging off your chin. So, what do you want to see, guys? 73?